Hi everyone, it's Lauren. I am putting a centerpiece together for my kitchen table and I was going to share it with you. It is somewhat natural and with some faux apples with pine cones and cinnamon sticks. I am using a soup tureen and I have a couple of kitchen towels in there, kind of the idea of gift baskets when you get and you're so excited. I have so many things in there, you end up with a box of crackers and almonds and the rest is all packaging stuff and popcorn. That's exactly what I'm doing here. I don't want to fill the whole thing up. I don't even think I have enough small accent pieces to put in this bowl. So I'm going to give it even more height for my pumpkins and pine cones with and even more manageable with having the towel in there. I have little pumpkins, mini pumpkins and gourds, and I'm going to start with the heavy things on the bottom and just build it up. So I have these little mini gourds and little mini pumpkins. I'm going to start with the pine cones, and I have a video on these, on how I gathered these a couple of years ago and how I painted them with Sharpies. If you like to know how I did that, you can go and find the video for it. And I hope you're already subscribed, and if not, please do. You are supporting us when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way we know that you like our videos and we make more and more. Let's see. Okay, gourds, little mini pumpkin. I'm gonna go with some faux apples. It's all about color, textures, and heights. So I have all the pine cones that are bigger than everything else on one side, and I'm playing with all the colors of the gourds, the pumpkins, the faux apples, and even giving it more height with the cinnamon sticks and more. I love cinnamon sticks. You can keep them for a long time and then break them, grind them, put them in your drinks or in your desserts, or just grind them and use them with baking. So here they are. I'm gonna put this little guy right here. I love these little gourds. They're so colorful. Okay, and it's a work in process. So as you go around, every morning you look at it, you say, oh, I think I'm going to move this and put it somewhere else. There, small fall centerpiece for my kitchen table. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. And please leave your comments. Thank you so much. See you soon.